Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I'll be creating flawless makeup look using only one brand. Everything from foundation to lipstick, I'll be using only Swiss Beauty's product. Starting off with the Swiss Beauty Highlighting Primer, it not only gives me that glowy effect but it also hydrates the skin. Can you see the difference how I am glowing? Next I'm using the Swiss Beauty Skin Tint. It's super lightweight and gives you that natural dewy glow. I really love how it blends so easily into the skin. Next I'm applying Swiss Beauty Liquid Concealer under my eyes, around my mouth. This concealer gives a full coverage but it doesn't look cakey, so you can go for it. Now I'm using Swiss Beauty Cream Blush on the apple of my cheeks, a little bit on my nose for a fresh blushed look. Now I'm using Swiss Beauty Matte Loose Powder to lock everything in place so my makeup lasts all day long. Filling my eyebrows with Swiss Beauty 2-in-1 Eyebrow and Gel Eyeliner. For eye makeup, I'm using Swiss Beauty Ultimate Eyeshadow Palette. I'm using this pink shade from the palette and applying on my eyelid. For eyeliner, I'm using Swiss Beauty Holographic Eyeliner in the shade Stardust. First, I'm using lip liner from Swiss Beauty and then a liquid nude lipstick from Swiss Beauty. Oh my god, the smell is so delicious. Now I'm applying Swiss Beauty Waterproof Mascara to add some volume on my eyelashes. Now I'm using Swiss Beauty Setting Spray to lock my makeup. And that's it. It was my simple flawless makeup routine using only one brand. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel.